Hello everyone, welcome back to NR Bioscience Academy. মই আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে সকলো ভালে আছে। In our previous class, we learned about chemical equations, word equations, reactants, products, and the reaction arrow. যদি আপোনালোকে পাৰ্ট 2 এতিয়াও চোৱা নাই তেন্তে প্ৰথমে সেই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ল'ব কাৰণ আজিৰ টপিকটো পাৰ্ট 2ৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি আগবাঢ়িব। Today's topic is balancing of chemical equations. এই টপিকটো চেপ্টাৰ 1ৰ আটাইতকৈ গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ টপিকসমূহৰ ভিতৰত এটা। HSLC এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ বাবে এই টপিকটো ভালদৰে বুজি লোৱাটো অতি প্ৰয়োজন। আজিৰ ক্লাছত আমি শিকিম why do we balance chemical equations, what is a balanced chemical equation, rules for balancing, step by step balancing with examples. So let's begin today's lesson. Look at this equation. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Now answer this question. Is this equation balanced? Take 5 seconds. If your answer is no, you are correct. Let's count the atoms. On the left side, 1 atom of magnesium and 2 atoms of oxygen. On the right side, 1 atom of magnesium and 1 atom of oxygen. আপোনালোকে দেখিছে যে অক্সিজেন এটম দুইফালে সমান নহয়। So, this is called an unbalanced chemical equation. আজিৰ ক্লাছত আমি শিকিম এই ইকুৱেশ্যন কেনেকৈ বেলেন্স কৰিব লাগে। Now a very important question. Why do we balance chemical equations? The answer lies in an important scientific law, the law of conservation of mass. According to this law, mass can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. অৰ্থাৎ কেমিকেল ৰিয়েকশ্যনৰ সময়ত নতুনকৈ মাছৰ সৃষ্টি নহয় আৰু মাছ নষ্টও নহয়। The total mass of the reactants is always equal to the total mass of the products. ইয়াৰ অৰ্থ হ'ল ৰিয়েকশ্যন আৰম্ভ হোৱাৰ আগত যিমান এটম থাকে ৰিয়েকশ্যন শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছতো ঠিক সিমানেই এটম থাকিব লাগিব। এটমছ ডিজেপিয়াৰ নহয়, এটমছ নতুনকৈ সৃষ্টিও নহয়। They only rearrange themselves to form a new substances. সেইবাবে আমি chemical equation balance কৰোঁ। Now let's understand the meaning of a balanced chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation is an equation in which the number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides of the equation. অৰ্থাৎ reactant side আৰু product sideত প্ৰতিটো এলিমেণ্টৰ এটমৰ সংখ্যা সমান হ'ব লাগিব। Look at this example. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Let's count together. For hydrogen, on the left side, 4 atoms are present, and on the right side, 4 atoms are present. For oxygen, on the left side, 2 atoms are present, and on the right side, also 2 atoms are present. Since the number of atoms is equal on both sides, this is called a balanced chemical equation. Now, let's compare a balanced chemical equation and an unbalanced chemical equation. First, look at the first equation. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Here, magnesium atoms are equal, but oxygen atoms are not equal. So, this equation is unbalanced. Now, look at the second equation. 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Let's count again. Magnesium, 2 atoms are present on the both side, and for oxygen, also 2 atoms are present on the both side. Now every element has the same number of atoms on both sides. So this is a balanced chemical equation. Allowing problems, we must know the rules. Rule number 1. Count the atoms of every element. প্ৰথমে প্ৰতিটো এলিমেণ্টৰ এটম গণনা কৰক। Rule number 2. Balance only one element at a time. একেলগে সকলো এলিমেণ্টছ বেলেন্স কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা নকৰিব। Rule number 3. Change only the coefficients. Coefficient মানে ফৰ্মুলাৰ আগত থকা সংখ্যা। And rule number 4. Never change the subscripts. ফৰ্মুলাৰ ভিতৰৰ সংখ্যা কেতিয়াও সলনি নকৰিব কাৰণ ফৰ্মুলা সলনি কৰিলে কম্পাউণ্ডটোৱে সলনি হৈ যাব। And finally, rule number 5. Count all atoms again. যদি দুইফালে সমান হয়, equation is balanced. Now, let's solve our first example. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. First, count the atoms. For hydrogen, 2 atoms are present on the both side. For oxygen, 2 atoms are present on the left side and 1 atom is present on the right side. Oxygen is not balanced. So place coefficient before H2O. Now the equation becomes H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Let's count again. For hydrogen, on the left side, 2 atoms are present, and on the right side, 4 atoms are present. Now hydrogen becomes unbalanced. So place coefficient 2 before H2. Now we get 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Now check hydrogen. 4 atoms are present on the both side, and for oxygen, 2 atoms are present on both sides. Perfect. The equation is balanced. Let's solve one more example. Fe plus O2 gives Fe2O3. Count the atoms. For iron, 1 atom is present on the left side and 2 atoms are present on the right side. For oxygen, 2 atoms are present on the left side and 3 atoms are present on the right side. Both are unequal. Now place coefficient 2 before Fe. Then coefficient 3 before O2. Then place coefficient 2 before Fe2O3 on the right side. And finally, balance iron by placing coefficient 4 before Fe instead of 2. The balanced equation becomes 4Fe plus 3O2 gives 2Fe2O3. Now count the atoms once again. For iron, 4 atoms are present on the both side, and for oxygen, 6 atoms are present on the both side. Excellent. Students usually make mistakes while balancing equations. Remember these important points. Never change the chemical formula. Always change only the coefficients. Count every atom carefully. After balancing, verify the equation once again. Let's quickly revise today's lesson. Today we learned why chemical equations are balanced, law of conservation of mass, balanced and unbalanced chemical equations, rules for balancing, how to balance equations step by step. Practice these methods regularly and balancing chemical equations will become much easier. Now it's homework time. Balance the following equations in your notebook. Write your answers carefully. If you have any doubts, ask them in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you understand how to balance simple chemical equations. Remember, balancing becomes easy with regular practice. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, comment your answers or doubts, and subscribe to NR Bioscience Academy. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming lesson. In the next class, we will learn types of chemical reactions. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring science. See you in the next video.